macOS Golden Gate, that is macOS 27 beta, now ships with a new CLI tool that allows you to interact with the new foundation models on an Apple Silicon Mac. It is called Apple Foundation Models CLI. You can think of the Foundation Model CLI as using Olama to interact with local open source models via the terminal. So we use this tool to interact with foundation models via the terminal. To begin with the CLI, you use the command fm. You can start using the CLI tool in just 3 steps. It requires macOS Golden Gate, that is macOS 27 beta. I will check the version of my OS by clicking the Apple logo and selecting the option about this Mac. You have noticed I have macOS 27 beta. Next, you should install Xcode 27. So you can see here there is Xcode version 27 beta. To install both, you should log in to your Apple developer account. Over here, you get beta software, tools, and resources. So you should first go to operating systems and go to the section where we have macOS 27 beta. So it is available on Apple Silicon Macs. After installing macOS 27 beta, you should go to applications and install Xcode 27 beta for Apple Silicon Mac. Once these 2 installations are complete, you can launch your terminal and run the command fm. I'll press the return key. So you can interact with it with fm. And here are the supported commands. Over here, you can see the supported models. We have on-device Apple Foundation model, that is the default. If you are eligible, you can also use Apple Foundation model on private cloud compute. To get access to this model, you need to apply with your Apple developer account. So here are some examples of how you can interact with the model. Let's prompt the model to summarize what is new in SwiftUI in WWDC 26. You just noticed it also supports streaming. So we have the summary about layout capabilities, improved animations, and more.